would brief you when you bring this.
Dead body will record
Yes, these are the.
dead bodies will be record. Army record.
This is the recovery from the army side, sir. On first and second.
The Sarpanch of Beret, he has confirmed to us each and everything have been counted for, sir, by the sensors what he had, and told us no more bodies inside.
Actually, he has taken the census.
He is taking census.
He has got the
He's
census.
got the certificate, sir.
He is a minister, irrigation minister.
There were 1 or 2 deaths. There are no more deaths.